and mix and match. Every piece comes in every color. Start with the sofa on sale at just $3.99 and add on.
This is the hiccups.
Color at Slumberland.
Why select your deals? When you can live the odds line and get more movie and less commercial. Tomorrow night at 8 on TBS. Very funny.
What could possibly hold together all the natural energy found in peanuts? Caramel Works. Payday. Crunchy roasted peanuts and soft, chewy caramel come together to give you sweet energy. Payday. The sweet taste of energy.
A tiny grain of rice. It can't run or walk, but man can fly. Just 90 seconds from the microwave to the table. Begin with my Uncle Ben's Ready Rice and get the family time faster.
Best in class, 0 to 60. And it's not from Germany. Best in class fuel efficiency at 30 miles per gallon. And it's not from Japan. Best in class 5-year, 60,000 mile coverage plan. And it's definitely not from Germany or Japan. It's from Scandinavia. The all-new 2012 Volvo S60. Now through May 2nd, lease the S60 for $299 a month or get 0.9% APR for 36 months.
Everyone on my team always wants something different for dinner, and I am not a short order cook. That's why we're headed to Stevie's Pizza. For their $4.99 endless buffet, they have 20 varieties of delicious pizza, as well as fresh salad, hot pasta, and delightful desserts. The variety is unbelievable, so there's something for everyone. Am I a mind reader or just awesome? Or both? I know I can finally relax when I hear...
Hi, welcome to safety.
Hey, I know you. So, what can you tell me about Shell nitrogen-enriched gasoline?
Did you know they could protect your engine?
And how do they do that? They clean up gunk left by lower quality gasoline.
Then they act as a protective barrier that shields and protects engines against performance-driving gunk.
All three grades?
That's right, all 3 grades.
You really are.
I wonder if he gets annoyed by those. He gets them every day.